White wine vinegar may not be as complex as balsamic, as romantic as sherry, or as punchy as apple cider vinegar, but that's exactly why it's important as a pantry staple. And Jack's here to tell us which white wine vinegar tastes best.
I think you just called white wine vinegar boring.
No, actually I'm just trying to hold off on tasting these because I'm standing in the fumes and I'm getting a little nervous.
I'm going to make you get to work. These are straight from the bottle. We didn't bring any salad greens, any pickles, the things that you use white wine vinegar for.
Yeah,
so start
they're
drinking.
in shot glasses.
You don't need to finish the glasses, but I wanted you to see vinegar right from the bottle. Start going,
Really?
small
Just
sips.
dig in.
Dig in. There's some crackers and there's some water if you need it.
Cheers.
So these are all made from wine grapes. Now, some of the vinegars.
That's fiery. All right.
Well, you've got three more to go.
I know. This one has a lovely burn,
Now,
all the way down.
I want you to look for ones that not only have acidity, but that have some sugar.
All right.
So we found that the brands that had some sugar, we measured the sugar levels in them to complement the acidity, not only tasted better from shot glasses, but better with salad greens or better in pickles.
Yep. I'm fighting through the acidity to look for flavor, but this is a little bit of a challenge.
This is tough. You're really, really strong. The acidity levels are either 5, 6, or 7%. We actually like the ones that had more acidity, but then had more sugar to go with them. And so ones that were low acidity and low sugar seem kind of bland. And if they had all that acidity and no sugar, oh my heavens, those are really eye-opening. We found that the brands that actually specify the wine grapes, that's a good thing. So our winner is made with Trebbiano grapes, Italian grapes that are fruity and crisp. If it's just made with generic wine, what they call in the industry wine stock, that means that's grapes they don't even want to tell you what they're using. That's not a good sign.
I'm doing it. I'm still with you.
You're still with me? Okay.
Yes.
You're awake.
I'm here. I'm very awake. I'm buzzing. Now, this one has a very different color than the others.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what grapes yield no color whatsoever.
Good point.
So this is one of the brands I will tell you that did not identify what grapes it is using, because no grape I've seen that makes wine makes anything close to that color.
Gosh, that's nail polish remover. Oh, that's terrifying.
You know what? You're picking up on a chemical that actually can be part of the vinegar making process that is something gone wrong, that is the same chemical that is in nail polish remover. That is not a good sign.
Okay, so that was nail polish remover.
Yeah, and it's not your imagination. It isn't just because I'm making you drink white wine vinegar from shot glasses.
Oh, this is a rough one, Jack.
All right, so is there anything that you are reacting more positively to?
Yes, this one was the easiest one on my palate. There was sweetness to it, it felt balanced, and I don't know if it was the mildest of all the ones I had, but it didn't burn as much.
Okay, so
So that one is my favorite, least favorite for sure. Had no flavor,
Okay.
nail polish remover. These, kind of in the middle. I could go either way on these. So this one was definitely my favorite, definitely my least favorite.
would you like to see what you picked?
Yes.
Well, you have very expensive taste.
Oh, yeah.
We then compared premium white wine vinegars. In this case, this is a champagne vinegar from California, and we loved this compared to our supermarket favorites. It's about
delicious.
5 times the price. It is made with
Figures.
champagne grapes, as the name would imply, and has nice fruitiness.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Why don't you go here?
All right.
So this was our favorite of the mass market supermarket brands. This is actually, despite the name Napa Valley, is from Italy. Go figure, because they do have grapes in Napa Valley.
Yeah.
This is made with Trebbiano grapes. And it does have more sugar, which balances out some of the acidity. I'm not sure you were quite getting all that given the way you were drinking these.
This one, which I also liked.
This is from Italy. You know, there were no bad choices here. They're all vinegars, but this did not have much sugar, and we thought was less complex than the top choice.
All right, and last, and definitely least.
And this is Holland House. This was at the bottom of the rankings as well. It just didn't have any personality other than acidity.
So if you have champagne taste like me, look for champagne vinegar. But for something less expensive, look for Napa Valley Naturals organic white wine vinegar at just $4.19. Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.